Plant family, 32 genera and Verbenaceae. A deep dive into the Verbenaceae plant family. My personal perspective. As a plant enthusiast, I, Verbenaceae, have always been fascinated by the diversity and beauty of the plant kingdom. One family that has particularly captured my attention is the Verbenaceae, a group of flowering plants known for their aromatic foliage, vibrant blooms, and ecological significance. In this article, I'd like to share my personal insights into this captivating family, highlighting its key characteristics, notable genera, and the reasons why it holds such a special place in my heart. The Verbenaceae, a family of diversity. The Verbenaceae family comprises a wide array of plants, ranging from herbaceous perennials and shrubs to trees and lianas. They are distributed across tropical and subtropical regions worldwide, adding a splash of color and fragrance to diverse ecosystems. One of the defining features of this family is its aromatic foliage, which contains essential oils that play crucial roles in plant defense and pollination. A tapestry of genera. The Verbenaceae family boasts a rich tapestry of genera, each with its unique characteristics and ecological roles. Verbena. This genus is renowned for its vibrant clusters of flowers, which attract pollinators such as butterflies and bees. 165 species in genus Verbena. Lantana. Lantana species are known for their colorful, long-lasting blooms and their ability to thrive in diverse habitats. 128 species in genus Lantana. Aloysia. Aloysia species are valued for their aromatic leaves, which are often used in herbal teas and culinary preparations. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The Verbenaceae in my life. My personal connection to the Verbenaceae family began in my childhood, when I first encountered the vibrant blooms of lantana in my grandmother's garden. The sweet fragrance and cheerful colors of these flowers left a lasting impression on me, sparking my lifelong passion for plants. Over the years, I've continued to explore the diversity of the Verbenaceae family, discovering new genera and species that have enriched my understanding of the natural world. Why I admire the Verbenaceae. There are several reasons why the Verbenaceae family holds such a special place in my heart. First and foremost, I'm captivated by the sheer diversity of this family, which encompasses a wide range of growth forms, foliage types, and floral displays. From the delicate blooms of verbena to the majestic stature of the teak tree, the Verbenaceae family never ceases to amaze me with its variety. Secondly, I appreciate the ecological significance of this family. The aromatic foliage of many Verbenaceae species plays a crucial role in plant defense, deterring herbivores and attracting beneficial insects. Additionally, the vibrant flowers of these plants provide a valuable source of nectar and pollen for pollinators, supporting the health and biodiversity of ecosystems. Finally, I'm drawn to the cultural and economic importance of the Verbenaceae family. Many species within this family have been used for centuries in traditional medicine, culinary practices, and religious ceremonies. Furthermore, the teak tree, a member of the Verbenaceae family, is a valuable timber species that supports livelihoods and economies around the world. In conclusion, the Verbenaceae family is a treasure trove of botanical wonders, offering a glimpse into the beauty, diversity, and ecological significance of the plant kingdom. From the vibrant blooms of lantana to the aromatic foliage of aloysia, each member of this family contributes its own unique charm to the tapestry of life. As a plant enthusiast, I'm continually inspired by the Verbenaceae family, and I look forward to exploring its many facets for years to come.